Welcome back to our channel Kiddos Knowledge World. Keep learning. Hello kids, let's learn about sea animals. Sharks are large fish that have a skeleton made of cartilage. They live in salt water all over the world, and as carnivores, they eat fish and other animals using their sharp teeth and powerful jaws. Shark attacks are very uncommon, and humans are not something sharks like to eat. Starfish are animals that live in salt water. They can live almost anywhere in the world's oceans, including both cold and warm locations. They have no backbone and they have spiny or bumpy skin. Most dolphins are 7 to 10 feet, 2 to 3 meters, long. They have smooth, rubbery skin and are usually colored in some mixture of black, white, and gray. A layer of fat beneath the skin, known as blubber, helps keep them warm in the water. A seal's body is round in the middle and narrower at the ends. The skin is usually brown, gray, or black. The smallest seals are about 4 feet long and weigh about 200 pounds. The largest seals can be 21 feet long and weigh more than 8,000 pounds. Seahorses are weak swimmers and usually live along the shore among seaweed and other plants, to which they cling by their tails. They swim very slowly and stiffly. They propel themselves by rapid rippling movements of the single, soft-rayed fin on their backs. Unlike other turtles, sea turtles cannot retract their flippers and head into their shells. Their streamlined shells and large paddle-shaped flippers make them very agile and graceful swimmers. In the water, their rear flippers are used as rudders for steering. We can see different colors of fishes in the sea. Various colorful fishes are existed in the sea. Octopuses are sea animals famous for their rounded bodies, bulging eyes, and 8 long arms. They live in all the world's oceans, but are especially abundant in warm, tropical waters. Jellyfish have no brain, heart, bones, or eyes. They are made up of a smooth, bag-like body and tentacles armed with tiny, stinging cells. The jellyfish's mouth is found in the center of its body. Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel.